Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Kraken in Minecraft. This guide focuses on building a massive, awe-inspiring sea creature in your world. We'll cover everything from initial planning to adding the final, intricate details. Imagine a colossal beast emerging from the ocean depths, crafted entirely by your hands. It's a fantastic creative project that truly showcases your building skills and imagination. Let's dive into the exciting process of bringing this legendary monster to life in your blocky universe. Before placing your first block, careful planning is key to a magnificent Kraken. Select a vast ocean area, ensuring ample space for your creature to sprawl. Gather your primary materials, such as hundreds or even thousands of dark blocks like black concrete or dark prismarine. Having a clear vision or a simple sketch will greatly assist in maintaining your design's consistency. Remember, a truly impressive Kraken demands a grand scale, perhaps spanning over 100 blocks. Now, let's start building the core of your Kraken. Begin with a substantial, rounded base for the main body, perhaps 20 to 30 blocks wide, gradually tapering upwards. As you ascend, sculpt the head, giving it a formidable and distinct profile. Don't forget to add menacing eyes using bright blocks like sea lanterns, making your creature truly come alive. Focus on creating smooth, organic curves throughout the body to achieve a natural, imposing appearance. Finally, it's time to bring your Kraken to life with its iconic tentacles and finishing touches. Craft several long, winding tentacles, ensuring they vary in length and thickness to create a dynamic, natural flow. Add intricate details like suction cups on the underside of each tentacle, perhaps using gray concrete or quartz. To truly complete the scene, consider adding underwater lighting and surrounding environmental elements, making your colossal Kraken an unforgettable centerpiece in your Minecraft world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.